Greetings, my name is Rahul Jain and thanks for watching my channel. Today I am at Mathura, which is a sacred place not only for Hindus but also for Jains. The Jain Chaurasi temple is the proof. The temple was built by Mathura Jain Samaj in the memory of Jambuswami, who attained Nirvana here. It is dedicated to second Tirthankara, Ajitnath, and it is a Siddha Kshetra, place of salvation. So this Mathura Jain Chaurasi temple or Antim Kevali Shri 1008 Jambuswami Nirvan sthal Digambar Jain Mandir is one of the places of worship for Jains in Mathura. Jambuswami is the last Kevali, omniscient being after Bhagwan Mahavira in Jain tradition. He is believed to attain moksha at 84 while in Mathura. The place came to be known as Chaurasi in Hindi and the temple becomes popular as Mathura Chaurasi Jain Mandir. The Jain Chaurasi temple in Mathura is open every day from 6 am to 9:30 pm and you need not to pay anything as an entry fee. This place is 3 kilometers away from Mathura bus stop and 5 kilometers away from Mathura Junction railway station. After Jambuswami attained the Nirvana, his charan was obtained and placed along with the deity Tirthankara Ajitnath. The temple wall have beautiful colorful paintings and inscription of belongings to Jain culture and art. Please read more details about this place in the description of this blog. Thanks.